We have arrived, everyone. Let Ollie try some ice cream. He's had sugar-free ice cream. He's never had like real. This is they kind of make it, I guess, by the day. It's funnel cakes, they do nachos, home baked goods, healthy muffins, stuff like that. So it looks like a really nice store. We'll see what they got and see if we can't get Ollie a sugar-free option. If not, we'll let him have a little bit, and that'll just have to be his sugar ration for the day. So follow me. Let's go. Oh man, there's so many flavors. Let's do something Ollie would like. Now, I know that squirrel monkey, you typically like to eat a fruit that here in the States we call it Inca fruit. I'm pretty sure it has a different name. I used to know it, but it is fleeting at the moment. But it tastes like vanilla, so I think I'm going to do an old-fashioned vanilla. And we'll do maybe banana or strawberry for Xylee and Cone. In a cup. Me and Ollie will get a cone. Huh, bro? So we got all kinds of Dippin' Dots, frozen bananas. No, you can't have no frozen bananas yet. Let's see what we can get. Alright, so let's see here. Yeah, who's that guy? He's about to serve you something delicious. It's true. So I'll do a cup of the. Let's do. Can I mix and match?
Yeah.
Can I do a banana pudding and a strawberry?
All right. In a cup or a cup?
In a cup for that one.
And what size cup?
Just a small one. You get
Small?
a kid. Is there a kid size?
Yeah.
That'll work. Perfect.
It's all right. We'll get you some yummy food, bro.
And then I'll do a cone of old-fashioned vanilla.
All right.
So that's the original bold and rich, creamy vanilla flavor, old-fashioned style. Yeah? Yeah, you like that, Chip? It's a good one? No, you can't gamble with it. You're crazy.
Alright. And the vanilla, you said you wanted a cone, right?
Yep, oh, he said it. Yeah, in a cone.
Oh, what kind of cone?
Just the old regular cone will work.
Cone? Alright,
Yeah.
sure.
Thanks, bud. Yeah, you like the strawberry one or you like the spoon? Oh, what'd you think about that? Yeah, that's a winner? It's good? Alright, so.
Ow, Cokie. Hey, don't bunk me. You bunking me. Oh.
Alright.
Ice cream
So we got Cokie and we got Xylee.
You ready?
And we got the vanilla cone. Lick. He was like, that was cold, bro. Is it good? But this one.
Me too.
Mmm. Is it good? There's a lot going on in this parking lot right now, so I think he's getting more nervous again. Oh, yeah? You looking around?
Here, bro. You don't want no more?
Let me ice cream.
I like ice cream. Thank you for the ice cream. Ice cream's nice.
So unfortunately, this ice cream shop's right next to Lowe's. So there's somebody picking up, looks like what's to become a deck. So loading up all the rebar and all this stuff. What's the mark?
Yummy.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good stuff. You're a funny boy, Cokie. Yeah, you want some more too? Alright, hold on, I got an idea. Got a spoon? There you go. Dad Pro. Hey, give me that spoon. You cracked it. Ow! You're so abusive today.
Don't be mean to me. Come here, let's cricket.
So, I'm gonna give Ollie a cricket. Let him get himself a little bit of proteins. There he is. He's in there, Ollie. See him in there?
All right. There you go. That's for doing such a good job today. Yeah, you did a good job, bro. Yep, you didn't hardly squawk at anybody. You even picked your own toy.
He like swallowed that whole. Yeah, you're about to move on up to the bigger crickets? He like, took it like a pill.
Yeah? Was that yummy? Yeah.
Alright. So, this is locked down. That's why he's in the cage, because we're about to drive. So.
Here we go. Yes, I'm alright. I'm secure. Put your seatbelt on, Alls.
I usually run it through.
There you go.
Nice and secure.
Is that better? Oh dear, oh dear.
Well, we hope you enjoyed our video, guys. Thanks for watching. We're getting our new HVAC installed, hence all the outing and stuff. So, we hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Share our videos with a friend. We love to meet new people.